Fujitsu Image Scanner FI800R. FI800R makes customer onboarding easy with its compact size and robust ID scanning. Satisfy all of your scanning needs, from plastic cards to booklets, with one device. Fast scanning speeds of 40 pages per minute and simple operation help provide great customer experiences and make employees more efficient. This performance is made possible by the FI800R's dual path mechanism. Scan passports and cards up to 5 millimeters thick without a carrier sheet using return scan. Documents are inserted and ejected from the same place, allowing start-to-finish scanning from the front. The software automatically stitches pages together when scanning folded papers. When documents are placed on the document tray, the FI800R automatically scans with U-turn scan. U-turn scan makes a small footprint even smaller by stacking documents at the top of the scanner. With automatic stacking technology, the FI800R stacker extends to provide neatly stacked output documents, allowing users to save time on collection. Once scanning has completed, users can easily start scanning their next batch. Customers can be served faster with simple operation. The FI800R provides FI series signature reliability with a compact and space-saving footprint. With the world's first automatic skew correction functionality, documents are straightened one page at a time while feeding, enabling reliable feeding even when documents are set askew. Active separation continually adjusts pressure based on document thickness and condition to ensure each page is accurately separated and captured without misfeeds. Confidently scan batches of mixed sizes and formats, and reduce customer wait time to the bare minimum. The scanner driver, PaperStream IP, the capture software, PaperStream Capture, and the scanner central admin are all bundled in the standard package. Scanned images are automatically optimized with PaperStream IP's advanced image processing functionalities. The front side detection function detects photos on ID cards and passports to automatically set pages with photos as the front side and reduce manual operations after scanning. With the MRZ recognition function, the machine-readable zone on passports are extracted as metadata for fast client information retrieval. The FI800R is the perfect scanner when space is limited. With high reliability and clever operation, the FI800R reduces customer wait times and ensures fast, accurate scanning every time. Make the customer onboarding process easy and run business faster. Fujitsu Image Scanner FI800R.